Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for supply theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to www.shopwebsitecodes.com, and for other themes, you will get the code there. Let me show you an example of this feature which we are going to develop in this video. So here you can see that all the products are displaying with their color variants, and this thing helps us to provide different color options to our customers. So I already given a lot of examples, but let me give you a simple example. For example, you have some products with different color variants, and the customer has only option to see all those colors on the main product page. If the customer is visiting to your main collection page where you have all the products listed, then he can only see single image of your product. I mean, each product will have a single image. So how beautiful it will be if you are presenting all your color variants as an individual product. So in that way, there is much more possibility of purchase. So that's how you can increase your sales of your store overall. You don't need to install any app. I will be providing you some snippets. You just need to copy and paste the code. Here is the current situation of our store. You can see that we have installed supply theme, and this is the home page of that store. So you can see that we have some new arrivals. New arrival means we have a collection here displaying. So all the products are displaying here. If we are coming to the main collection page, which is like catalog, so here we can also see all those products without their color variants. So you can imagine, like, we have the color variants. For example, this bottle, inside of it we have multiple colors like silver, black, navy blue and blue. But on the catalog, on the main collection page, we don't able to see that. So we are interested to show all those colors here. So the first step is, like, you should go to the Shopify dashboard. Here you can see that I have installed supply theme. Firstly, you should take the backup of this current published theme. Click on these three dots, click on duplicate. So in that way, you will actually create a backup of this theme. Later on, if you want, you can roll it back. So let's move ahead with the coding part. Click on these three dots. Click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. So we will be doing the things step by step, but following the documentation. Here we have some files. Actually, I will be adding the link below in the description. You just need to download a file that will be the zip file. I need to extract it, and then you will be getting all these files. So firstly, open document.txt, and inside of it we have some steps. So the first step is, like, go to snippets, then open product-grid-item.liquid. So here we have snippets. Then you should scroll it down, and you will find a file which is product-grid-item.liquid. And then what we need to do is replace complete code with attached code. So we have already attached the code, which is product-grid-item.txt. Open this file, copy this complete code, and paste it here. But before that, you need to remove this old code and then paste the latest code. I have pasted it. Then you need to click on save. So in that way, you will able to save the changes. And once you are done, then you need to close this file. And now let's test this feature. Again, you should go to this catalog, main collection page, refresh it, and you should find here all those color variants. So you can see that all the color variants are displaying here. How beautiful this is now, because earlier we had only few options. And if you are coming to the home page, you will also see that we have all the color variants displaying here. And this is how you can actually present all the options to your customers. So I hope that this feature you have implemented successfully. If you stuck somewhere or you have any problem, you can directly contact me. I will help you in that. And if you have any other kind of customization or coding related stuff, then you can also contact me. I will also try my best to support you. Make sure that visit on www.shopwebsitecodes.com, because over there I usually publish some new snippets. You can download and implement it into your store without installing any kind of app, because apps are charging a lot of amount on monthly basis. And right now, right here, you are just copying and pasting the snippets, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.